Show each object in the story, then count when objects join or leave.
Meet Hazel, a red squirrel bounding through the quiet corners of acorn wood. As she travels along the branches and paths, she helps us find stories unfolding in the forest. Notice the way the wood is put together. The arrangements of stones and the clusters of nuts show how the forest is structured, making the math visible in the world around us before it is even named. Here is our first puzzle. A squirrel has 4 acorns tucked in a little pile. She scampers off and finds 3 more acorns. How many acorns does she have now? Picture the first pile, 4 acorns. Now picture the acorns she found, 3 more acorns set right beside the pile. Count them all together, one by one. 4 and 3 more make 7. She has 7 acorns. Moving further into the wood, a hedgehog finds 8 ripe berries on a low branch. He eats 3. How many are left? Picture all the berries to start, 8 berries. Now take away the ones he ate. Cover up 3 berries. Count the berries that are still there. 8 take away 3 leaves 5. There are 5 berries left. As the afternoon light shifts, 2 fox cubs are curled up napping in a den. Then 4 more cubs tumble in. How many now? Picture the cubs already sleeping. 2 cubs. Picture the cubs that come in. 4 more cubs. Count both groups together, one by one. 2 and 4 more make 6. There are 6 cubs napping. Down at the water's edge, 6 ducklings paddle at the pond bank. Then 2 of them swim away. How many ducklings are still at the bank? Picture all the ducklings to start. 6 ducklings. Take away the ones who swim off. 2 ducklings. Count who is left. 6 take away 2 leaves 4. There are 4 ducklings still at the bank. Looking back along the path Hazel traveled, the results of our work are still visible in the scenery. Each quantity we found remains marked in the wood. These labels track the exact quantities, while the animal actions show us how the numbers change. When they join together, we add. When they move away, we subtract. As the wood returns to its natural rhythm, look at the final labels. Which one shows the most important relationship, and how does the animal's behavior prove it?
6 ducklings minus 2 ducklings leaves 4 ducklings.